Right, guys, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. Hope y'all are doing well. All right, I am in the field today checking in on clients' homes, working with my clients. And so y'all know I always like to feature new communities. Right, look at the amenities they have here. They have a dog park, a little playground area. All right, you saw the water features. All right, but this is a great new master plan community. They are working on their phase 2 and 3, and homes are just starting in the 300s. All right, as you see, there are builders that offer 2-car garages, 3-car garages. Right, and again, there are multiple builders here. Right, there are multiple builders in this community. So that means that you get an opportunity for lots of different floor plans, right? Here's the community amenity center, right? Amenity centers are available for the residents and the residents only. Right, the best thing about master plan communities are things like this, right? So notice the play equipment for your children. They got volleyball courts. They have an amenity center that you can utilize for private use. They have an awesome swimming pool. All right, let me try to go on the other side of it. All right, got lots of water features. We saw that first pond just a minute ago. All right, so look at all of that play equipment. All right. Notice this community, right? Every master plan community is different. Notice this community does have centralized mailing centers, right? So your mail won't be delivered to your door. Oftentimes the county and the cities dictate these type of decisions, right? While a lot of people may like their mail delivered in this particular community, that's not available, right? So they have all type of homes because there's all kind of builders out here. I hope y'all can see good. How am I doing with showing y'all this one? I can't see really good. But there's that awesome pool, right? I'm looking at least 20 or 30. Ooh, that's probably 40 beachside chairs they got ready for the residents to enjoy. Again, this community is starting in the 300s, multiple builders. All right, look at that amenity center. Oh, they got a splash pad. Oh, here's another dog park for your doggies. All right. But let's go and just kind of explore this this community. Let you see what the homes look like. All right, again, this is the first phase of the community. Notice the variation of homes because you have multiple builders. Right, that's the thing that people like about a master plan community. There y'all are. But again, this is the first section of the community. Here's another water feature again. Oh, I'm making a big circle now. Didn't want to come back to the main road. This is across the street. But I guess I'll be in line to take you to see another water feature. This community has multiple of these beautiful water features. They got walking paths. Can y'all see the variation? All right, you can tell this is one builder here. These are actually not wooden homes. These homes are made of, they're made of hardy board. Hardy board is a concrete siding. It's actually made of concrete. It's not traditional wood. It may look like wood, but it's not. And so lots of builders make those. Supposedly, you know, they have a really low maintenance. It's not something you got to paint every year or whatever. But they last pretty long. So you have those type of builders here. If you prefer brick, there are builders that do brick. But again, if you don't like cookie cutter communities and they have variation of homes, that's what the beauty of master plan communities are like. All right, but if you work in downtown Dallas or surrounding areas, this is approximately, I Googled before I started, it's about 29 miles. 29 miles from downtown Dallas, right? You got to accommodate for traffic, but we're only